So today at Payaca, I am announcing our latest integration with Spruce. So Spruce are the business that are building tools for the heat pump installers and installation companies out there that helps you cut down the time it takes to survey a property, to create those estimates, and to keep all that information together. We then allow you to send that directly to Payaca, your CRM, Job Management, team management system, to manage the customer journey in a really efficient way, generate those automatic messages to the customers, allow your engineers in the field to carry out key tasks and information, and make that journey as smooth as possible. I'm going to take you through how this might work at a very high level. So this is the Spruce system. I've set this up in a very basic way. If you want all the detail about how to set that up, clearly you can talk to Spruce, but I've set up an account here where I've put heat pumps in there. I've got the hot water cylinders that I install, or one of them in this case, and a labor rate. Now, if I wanted to create a new inquiry, this form I'd probably have embedded on my website, and you'll see that if you go out there and look at some of the big heat pump installation businesses out there like Vito Energy, they've got a version of this form on their website. So if I fill this in very simply, so as I'm filling out, it's gonna grab some key details automatically. So it's found the EPC, so I don't have to do anything manually with that. It pre-populates each of the steps based on the information that it finds. So it's gonna save a bunch of time if I'm the customer just filling this out. So I get to the final step and I just fill out some details. Now these details you'll see very smoothly flow into Payaca. And then I click send me an estimate. This account is set up and to not send it until someone's checked it, but you'll see those details go to Payaca. Great, my inquiry's been sent. So in Payaca, we can see this new inquiry come in. It's been tagged as Spruce, which means that I can automate messages out to the customer to thank them for contacting us, to give them a bunch of information about my business, maybe even send them a YouTube video that you've created. So this is a very simple overview of how Spruce will send information to Payaca. There's lots more to cover. We can configure the whole customer journey, including any maintenance plans that you want to offer and collection of those recurring payments. If you want to talk to Payaca, simply fill out the quick form on the website asking to trial the product. If you want to talk to Spruce, they've got a website, spruce.eco, that you can just add your details to, and they will also be in contact with you. If you already work with one or the other, simply contact us and we'll be able to set up that integration in minutes. There's lots more to come from both Payaca and Spruce, and we're really excited to help this journey towards net zero.